Hey everyone, it's Darren from Dell. Today we are going to be unboxing and checking out the new Dell Pro 1416 Plus EcoLoop backpack, the CP5626. Let's jump in. So this is going to be your everyday backpack. Gotta love kind of what we've done from a design perspective. Big front zippered pocket right here. Flip it to the top. A quick access pocket over here that's actually pretty deep. Two side pockets over here. Flip it around on the back. Reflective accents, which is nice. You do have your luggage strap. And now let's take a look at the insides. Pretty huge, deep compartment. We'll fill it out in a second. But something I love. This bag is made with recycled materials equivalent to the weight of 43 plastic bottles. Top zipper here, maybe your adapters, things like that. And then another deep pocket right here for your notebook. Can fit up to a 16-inch, so 14 to 16-inch sweet spots here. Front strap. Gotta love it. Looks pretty slick, I must say. So we're gonna load up the bag, show how much we can actually fit. Trusty 4-in-1 adapter, my good old earbuds. Cable for my portable display, my good old trusty mouse, my speakerphone as I need it, maybe even tons of space already. Let's put that water bottle, slides in pretty nicely. Still got ample room here. Throw in maybe a pair of shoes, change of clothes. Got a wired headset and wireless. Could put my power adapter here. Now flip it around on the other side. Over here, let's put in our portable display, tablet, whatever you need. And now gotta love the foam protection, 400D woven fabric, waterproofed, zippers, and now a 16-inch notebook going all the way right in. Ample space to go. Don't you love it? The Dell Pro 1416 Plus EcoLoop backpack. Thanks so much for tuning in.